Welcome to Innovations in Health. I'm John DeShulo, welcoming Dr. Rick Miller from Bent Tree Dental. We're talking about the mini dental implant procedure. It's less invasive, less discomfort, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, and less expensive. Dr. Miller, show us why with a lower denture example.
So with the lower, we typically put 4 mini implants in, and it is really secure, John.
And that denture is not floating around on the bottom of the gum. Those titanium posts hold it into place. If you have a lower denture, odds are you have an upper denture, and now you can dig into the food we love here in Texas, the Tex-Mex, the steaks, the corn on the cob. Show us why.
The good thing is there's nothing over the roof of the mouth. And again, we secure it with 6 implants, and it is secure, and there's no limitations on what they can eat with this.
And Dr. Miller and his team make this an affordable process for you. Now, if God gave you your baby teeth and adult teeth, Dr. Rick Miller and his team at Bent Tree Dental are going to give you your 3rd set of teeth with this roundhouse example.
And this is really a wonderful product because it's like crowns that are all joined together, and we use 10 to 12 implants. And when we put that in, the patient cannot take that out.
It is looking great. It's
Yeah.
like a 3rd set of teeth, and it is a permanent solution. Now, if you have teeth in the back of your mouth, you have a problem with your partials or a single tooth that's missing, the mini dental implant is the answer.
Yeah. So if someone finds themselves without back teeth and it's hard to chew, we put mini implants in, we secure a bridge, and they're back in business.
And that single tooth option, take a look. This is not coming out of a box. This is custom made.
Right, and you wouldn't want to go around in public like that. But with mini implants, they're secure the first day, and you walk out with something like that.
Get your smile back with Dr. Rick Miller and his team at Bent Tree Dental, 4222 Trinity Mills, Suite 118 in Dallas, Texas. Here's the number to call, 972-645-5191. Dr. Rick Miller, thanks for joining us on Innovations in Health.
Thank you for having me, John.
Thank you for watching.